Hello, Fox. Welcome to the orbit of the coding. So today I'm going to explain OnChanges LifeCycle Hook. So this is a very interesting and useful feature in Angular. So suppose in your project, if you get a requirement where you need to implement anything which is changing the input properties or input data bound properties, you need to trace the record like what is the previous value, what is the current value, and what we have changed in the user interface. So this is the very useful on lifecycle hook ng on changes. So I'm going to show you how it should work. So here you can see that already we have input parameters in the parent child component like increment parent, decrement parent, and I need to capture the value like currently we have account 20. So anything change in the parent child or anything we have changes in the input parameters, so we need to capture all the records as per our requirements. So this is the basic use of uh, on changes life cycle. In the upcoming video, I will explain more about life cycle hook in Angular. Let's see some small and quick example of on change life cycle hook. So I already create input parameters, data bound input parameters. Here you can see that. Just I need to uh, add uh, or declare ng on changes. Yeah, here you can see that I already get. So you can see that we have declare a ng on changes methods where we have use simple changes. So simple changes is a object uh, uh, that is we can trace out the value which is changed from the data bound event properties, right? So now I have saved and build the project. So now I am going to see. So we can see the previous value in the count where we have count the previous value, current value, and the count changes from previous to uh, current value, right? So let's see in the console. Here you can see then we have see the current change value from let's reframe the outputs, right? 1 second. Now you can see that the previous value is undefined. We haven't changed anything in the UI. So previous value is undefined and the current value is 20 and the count change from undefined to 20, that is previous and the new value. So now I am going to change some input. Here you can see that. Now I'm going to increment the input values 21. Here you can see the log. The previous value is 20, current value is 21 and the count change from 20 to 21. You can see that. and I'm going to decrement, or here you can see that we have the previous value 70, current value 16, and the count change from 70 to 16. So thank you guys. That's it from this video. If you have any question, put it in the comment box, and happy learning. Thank you. Have a nice day.